Most traders think they have a market timing problem. They don't. They're just playing the wrong game. Open up a chart of TQQQ and the bottoms look obvious. You see the dip, you measure the bounce, and you think, I would have bought right there. But when the market is live and the red candles start flashing, you freeze. Or worse, you guess. I'm Dennis Wilburn, the AutoPilot trader. I've helped thousands of part-time traders who were doing everything right on paper, reading the charts, following setups, and still struggled to get consistent results. I showed them a clear and simple approach to trading. And now watch this. Let's go back through some of these biggest TQQ moves. In hindsight, they look obvious. Clean lows, strong moves, easy money, right? That's exactly where most traders get trapped. This is the TQQ going back to 2023. And as you can see, really strong moves up to the upside. And it looks so clean, pulling back and setting up these bottoms. And the hindsight bias traps us into believing that I could have traded each one of those lows and look at that profit I would have captured. Well, guess what? It's not that easy. You're going to want to stick with me. I'm going to share what a well-timed A-plus entry and exit actually look like. It has everything to do with the game you think you're playing. Here's the problem nobody wants to talk about. Most traders look at a chart like this, find the lows, measure the moves, and convince themselves timing should be easy. Unfortunately, it's a lot like playing chess with a checkers mindset. Let me give you a quick example. I work with a trader who was trying to time her swing trades using a 5-minute chart. Every tick mattered, every move felt urgent. She was constantly in and out, confused, second guessing, no big picture of what the market was actually doing. She wasn't doing anything really wrong from a day trading perspective, but she had no swing trading plan behind it. She was trading the meat grinder and making sausages, but she needed to be trading the daily chart and dining on prime rib. That's exactly what it looks like in real life. That's the checkers mindset. Same chart, different game, wrong rules. The market isn't your problem. The rules you're trading by are. Hey, real quick, if you want to trade more consistently without being chained to the charts all day, subscribe. I post videos every week to help traders like you become more consistent. You have to ask yourself, how many times have you gotten out of a trade early and left too much money on the table? The checker mindset strikes again. You're reacting in real time, adjusting, second guessing, managing the trade emotionally instead of following a plan. And TQQ will rip your face off if you trade it that way. Over time, that's just bad trading. That's a broken system and mindset. Hey, before we look at a clean A-plus setup, remember, if you're tired of missing market timing signals and second guessing your trades, my book, Trade Your Way to Freedom, shows you my simple, proven system for timing with more confidence and consistency. Links in the description. Okay, let's see what makes up an A-plus setup to go long. First of all, I'm looking for 3 ingredients. Long-term momentum shift, reversal structure, that's either support or candlestick, and breaking back through the 8 to 20 or the 50-day EMA. The most recent one on TQQ just happened within the past few weeks. And as I look here, what am I looking for? And notice how I'm not using the shorter term charts, but I'm using the longer term. Daily chart here, weekly chart over here. And the first thing I want to know is, has my longer term momentum shifted? Utilizing either the TSI 883 or the weekly momentum, you can see that it started to shift up on this week right here. And that's our first clue that to get ready because we may be getting a trade setup. What about the other parts of it? The reversal structure, either support or a candlestick. As you see, weekly, yeah, I had a bullish harami. It's one of a weaker bullish candlestick reversal pattern, but it's still a candlestick reversal pattern. So one is in place. What about our support? Well, just go over here. And like I like to say, I'm going to go down to this low right here and highlight that. But I always say, look to your left. And if I extend this back to the left, where does it line up? It lines up with this weekly consolidation here. So I've got another check in the block. Now the question is, where do we buy into the trade? So what I like to do is if I get a close or I move back above the 8, that's my first trigger. Let me show that to you. In this little zone right here between the 8 and the 20, that's my opportunity to jump on a trade. I won't get into the pullback trades. We'll say that for another video, but that's another opportunity. We're talking just basically the timing off the bottom. So excellent area to be entering the chart. The dailies, notice the TSI has turned around, but that is a good area for a value action zone on the daily chart. Okay, let's define our risk real quick. If we entered here, looking at potential of a stop loss down here below that swing low right there. Whatever that percentage is, they typically on the TQQ are going to wind up somewhere between 5, almost 10%. That's my stop loss. What's my first target? Up here, 10, 15%. Did we achieve it after this move? Okay, if I would have picked up the trade about there, how far have we run? We've run 22% in 7 days. So clearly, if I had a 15% profit target, I would have been out yesterday. If I had a 10% profit target, I would have been out within 2 days. Pretty amazing. But that's what my A+ setup looks like as the tide changes on the momentum. I find support. I have a bullish reversal signal, and pow, buy in the high value zone, and then away it goes. Defining my loss, defining my risk, and we're done. What about the tops? I promised you I'd tell you about that. How to handle the tops is just reverse the order of what I explained for the bottoms. I know that sounds kind of funky, but that really is what it is. Momentum rolling over at a level of resistance and crossing back down below the moving averages. So that's exactly what the AutoPilot trading system does. And I fully explain it in my book, Trade Your Way to Freedom. It gives you a defined way to identify setups, not based on what you think you see, but based on rules. Green light to enter, red light to stop, profit targets defined, stop losses defined, same chart, different results. So picture this. You set up your trades, you walk away. No checking charts, no second guessing, and later in the week, the trade works. No stress, no drama. That's what systematic trading feels like. The market didn't change. You changed the way you approached it. And if you want a full breakdown on how I trade TQQ, whether it's going up or down, watch this full TQQ Masterclass video.